In this video, I'm going to show you how this YouTube channel has made up to $5,166.20 in the last 5 months simply promoting Clickbank products on YouTube. I'm going to show you the exact products he's promoting, the traffic, how he's getting, everything that you need to know to get up and running. So if you want to learn how this channel that has less than 1,000 subscribers is making up to $55,000 with Clickbank and YouTube, make sure you watch this entire video. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt, and as an affiliate marketer, I've successfully promoted everything from stand mixers to security cameras, sound bars, microwaves, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want to know real affiliate marketing tips and tricks, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, so first things first, what is Clickbank? If you're not familiar, Clickbank is just a marketplace. It's a network where people can go to find different products to promote. You can find literally anything to promote. Physical products, digital products, there's all sorts of stuff on here. You simply would go to clickbank.com and sign up. It is free to get up and running. And so let's first take a look at this channel. This channel is William Wiles. Shout out to him. He only has 753 subscribers, but if we take a look, his most viewed video has 13,000 views. The second most video also has 13,000, and then 8,000, 6.4 thousand views. You can see he's getting all of these views in the matter of months, and it's actually really easy when you look at it. He's doing some things that are right and incredibly powerful, and so that he is starting to earn commissions and sales, and this is something that you could easily replicate. Now, first things first, after you sign up for Clickbank, what you're going to do is you're going to head on over to the marketplace, okay? And this is where you can find different products to promote. You can find products in any niche, everything from the United States politics all the way up to home and garden. It has literally everything. So what this person has done is really, really simple. He's creating review videos, but not just any review videos. Now, most people that will tell you to jump over to Clickbank will tell you to go over and promote something like e-business or e-marketing or Ted's Woodworking or some of those other ones. Now, those can be great products, but that's not what this guy is doing. What he's doing, and I'll explain to you his step-by-step process in just a moment, he is taking the power of traction. He is capitalizing on what people are already searching, and he is using that to make money. So if we come back over to William Wiles' channel, you can see he has a picture of the product. He has his picture, he has an emoji, he has some like warning signs, really powerful stuff to get people to click. But if we take a look, most viewed video, Glucotrust review. Second one, Xpure review, T-Burn review, Burn Boost review. You can see a pattern here. All of his videos are review videos. Now stay with me. I'm going to show you exactly what he's doing, but you have to first understand the power of what he's doing. Understand why this is working. He is creating review-based videos, not just on any product over on Clickbank. He's creating review-based videos because these products are in high search. People are wanting to know if this product is actually going to help them lose weight. Now, he's focusing mainly on weight loss products, but you could do this literally for anything. What we can do is we can type in something like Glucotrust review over on Google, and you're going to see that there are tons of ads. There are tons of demands on these products. And one thing that you'll notice potentially is if you search throughout Clickbank, you're not going to see all of these different ads. So what we can do, for example, is let's go back up here. We're going to click the back button and we're going to click on top offers. Now you can see here, these are all the top offers, but he's doing something very unique. And I actually stumbled across this when I was doing this research, but let's type in Soulmate Sketch, Soulmate Sketch, Soulmate Sketch. Like this, Soulmate Sketch. You can see there are a few ads, but if we typed in something like, we come back up here to Glucotrust, we just type in Glucotrust, let's see, G-L-U-C, Glucotrust like this. You're gonna see there are many more ads. That means it's much more popular, and he went about this the right way. So without further ado, let's not go ahead and belabor this point anymore. What this guy is doing, and these are all short, relatively short videos, is he has simply come back over to Clickbank. he has clicked on advanced search. And if you scroll all the way down here, he actually changed the activation date. So when these products went live. When these products go live, there's a huge push to get them seen by people, to get them to purchase, and so that they can make money. And so what I did is I just changed the activation date, and I changed it from just blank to 0101, and we'll do 2021. Okay, so within the last year and a half, we'll say. And if we look at this, the top one is Xpure. The second one is T-Burn, Glucotrust. These are all brand new products, and that is how he's capitalizing and getting all of these views. Now, when I said he's making up to $55,000, that assumes that 1% of all of these viewers purchase the products at the different rates. You can see here that the commission rates vary depending on the product. You can see 149, 123. That assumes that 1% buy. Now, the reason why I'm using 1% is because these are highly targeted views. These are review videos. These are highly targeted videos based on reviews. When people are ready to buy, they've got their credit card in their hand, they're going and typing in a product or service plus review. They're doing it again and again and again, and this marketer understands that. And so that's how he is able to attract such a large amount of people with such tiny views. And this actually really is a lesson for any product or service. If you understand the customer life cycle, they usually type in review when they are ready to buy. They want to confirm their suspicions. They want to believe that the product that they're ready to buy works. Just think about how you buy. It's the exact same process. But this person, William Wiles, has done an incredible job with relatively short videos and less than 1,000 subscribers. So what he does is he claims that he's purchased these products, and so he gives a review. Do you have to purchase these products? Absolutely not. What you can do is you can read other reviews that are out there, and you want to make sure that you are summarizing and synthesizing. You can actually say, hey, look, based on this review, these are what people are saying. These are what customers are saying. These are the good and the bad. And when you do that, you can make sure that you're positioning yourself like, hey, look, I didn't actually buy this product, but I've gone out and I've done the research for you. And that's what these people are saying regarding any product. Now, this is how you can do it too. You simply can pick a niche or pick a category, and you can review products based on when they were created and uploaded. This is how you're going to get fast traffic, because once again, what happens is once a product is released, this product owner is going to do everything possible to have a successful launch. Okay, they're going to do everything possible to make sure that they make money on the front end and get the money back that they spent, with the marketing and developing of the product. And so this is an incredible opportunity, and this works literally for any new product. That's why you saw that it worked for Soulmate Sketch, which, is only a $19 product. We could do the same thing for Akira Juice. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. But you can see this works again and again and again, because these are brand new products, and people are pushing to have these, make sure that these products are a success. And again, you're just going to do it too. You're going to summarize and synthesize. So if we recap the steps one more time, you're going to click on advanced search, and you could even just change this. So we'll do we could just do this year if we wanted to. Let's see, 2022, like that. Click search, and then you can take advantage of the newest products. Look at Lean BioMe. So if we type in Lean BioMe like this, Lean BioMe, I think it was. Lean BioMe. Once again, you see that there are a bunch of ads because people are capitalizing on this new product. So if we double click this and we paste it right over into YouTube, you're going to see once again that there is a lot of traffic to something that's really new. Once again, we see William Wiles once again, but if we look below that, this person, LG Music Official, is doing the exact same thing. 717 views from 14 hours ago. If we keep scrolling, 100 views. This person has 436,000 subscribers. You can see there are lots of views to be had on new products. This is kind of like launch jacking. Launch jacking is where you would go over to a website like muncheye.com, muncheye.com. There we go. So here you can see all the different product releases, and this is really basically the same thing. You can see that they're products from JVZoo, from Warrior Plus, even from Clickbank. But in my opinion, if you want to make money with Clickbank, go straight over to Clickbank, and then you want to make sure that, so you can do this In my opinion, the best way to do this is simply to go right over to Clickbank, find these different products. And then what I would also do to help fill the gaps, because you're not going to be able to just rely on these different types of reviews, go in and add in other videos within your niche. So you can create content on like weight loss, as you can see here, quick exercise at home. These are probably automated videos that he didn't actually do himself. But to help bridge the gap between launch to launch, you can see that he is creating all sorts of videos about weight loss and how to lose weight. These videos aren't getting as many views, but it helps keep your channel in the algorithm, it helps to keep your channel to be recommended when people are searching. But this is a really simple process, and it doesn't take a ton of time. As you can see, he's not spending a lot of time on these videos. He is just basically doing brief reviews based on when the product was released, just like this. We could even do the same thing with Twin Flame Tarot, or tarot card reading, and you can make money. Now that you know the simple process to make money with YouTube and Clickbank, click the first link in the description for my free unemployed handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.